to my channel. In today's video, I'm filming DIY room decor. So give the video a thumbs up if you guys like DIYs. These are probably like in my top 3 favorite videos to film. So if you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. Also in the comment section, let me know what room of your house you're in right now. I honestly only ever go in my kitchen and my bedroom. The other rooms in my house, they just don't really exist. Anyways, let's get into the video.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live.
Okay, so for DIY number 1, it is a patch pillowcase, and I don't know if you guys have been following me for like a little while, but you guys probably know that I'm obsessed with patches. Also, I'm low-key not mad about the fact that patches are literally sold everywhere now because it also means they're super cheap. So the other day when I went to the craft store, they had like a clearance section of patches, so I picked up a bunch and I thought it'd be really cute to like iron them all onto a plain pillowcase. So I just ironed them on and I put a piece of fabric between the patch and my pillowcase to make sure that like I didn't burn my pillowcase before I finished it. But this DIY is literally so easy. I made this pillow for like under $10 and it's so freaking cute, you guys. So if you guys make this, I definitely recommend putting the material in between your iron and your patch to make sure you don't burn your pillowcase. And normally you just have to iron each patch for about 20 seconds, but just read your own instructions in case they're different. Anyways, once you guys are finished ironing, you are literally done and you will have the most Pinteresty, Tumblr, Instagrammable pillowcase ever in under 5 minutes. You're welcome.
Nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it long. I met you in the
Moving on to DIY number 2, I am so freaking proud of this DIY because the other day I made it and then Kane went to Target like 2 days later and was like, yo, this looks like what you made. And I made it myself. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this DIY macrame wall hanging situation. Honestly, I don't really know what this is called, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. So starting off, you just wanna take 2 metal hoops or wire hoops. I just got these at the craft store. And secondly, you're also going to need a piece of string or some like jewelry wire to tie your hoops together. And once you guys have attached both of your round hoops, you just hoops, oh my goodness. Once you've attached them both, you just want to also take a ball of yarn. I cut off like 3 pieces and then I just looped them over my round frame and threaded them through. And you just want to keep repeating this until you've covered basically the entire bottom of your hoop. I feel like this is confusing now. And if you guys are feeling a little extra fancy, which let's be honest, you're probably not. You're probably just like, I'm not gonna do this DIY. But if you are, then I totally think it looks super cute if you grab some string or wire and just thread on some beads on the top to make it look extra cute. But yeah, that is all. That's the DIY.
I met you in the along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
So a couple of DIY videos ago, I made some DIY succulent plant holders, but those succulents died, so it's about time for some new ones. Anyway, I guess this isn't really a DIY, it's more just like a cute idea, but next time you guys find some cheap teacups like at the thrift store, then you should totally pick them up so you guys can plant succulents into them. It looks so cute and it's so easy. You don't even have to like, I was gonna say you don't even have to get your hands dirty, but like literally it's dirt. Like you get your hands dirty.
Do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow, I met you in the
Moving on, I honestly, this next DIY, I just wanted an excuse to write tacos on something. So, you know, I did. All you guys need for this DIY is just a picture frame, a piece of paper, and also like a gift card and some paint. First thing you guys want to do is just do a couple of dollops of paint on the top of your piece of paper, and then taking like the gift card or like a credit card or like any kind of card, you just want to scrape the paint down, really like just like keep the pressure super even so it doesn't stuff up. I did like a bunch of practice ones, mainly because I stuffed a couple up. And once you guys have one that you're happy with and it's dry, you can just go in and either take letter stickers, or if you guys have really good like penmanship, you could write this out. But I wrote tacos please. You could obviously say something like a little more motivational, but you know, I find tacos pretty motivating. And then you can just slide it on into your frame, and that's pretty much it. It looks super cute. So yes, I'm pretty proud. I'm gonna go eat some tacos now.
I met you in the-
Hopefully guys like this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what room of your house you're in. Also, let me know which one was your favorite DIY. Mine was this wall hanging. I'm proud. If you guys aren't already following me on my Instagram account, this is it right here. Come say hey, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!